Hey, what's up guys? This is Art from artofmarketingblog.com. First of all, I hope you had an amazing holiday season. I didn't actually record any videos during the holidays because, I had all the family stuff going on, so I couldn't get away. My daughter was around the office all the time, so now I'm back with another training video. And in today's video, I wanted to talk about BitConnectX and why I think it is a scam and why you should stay away from it, okay? So first of all, BitConnectX is a new project, I think, from BitConnect, and they didn't really say what it is yet. When you're gonna go to their site, it only says that it will be launched in 7 days. It says ICO begins in 7 days, 9 hours, etc. And a lot of people are speculating about what it is. So it can be an ICO, and an ICO is initial coin offering, which means that when somebody wants to launch a new coin, they essentially do crowdfunding and they ask people for money. So with this money they are able to create a new coin, and then everyone who got in early, they are getting it for a very, very low price. So this is a way of raising money if you want to create a new coin, but it doesn't really make sense with BitConnect because BitConnect is already an established coin and they are making a lot of money. So why would they need more money to raise capital, for a new coin that they would be creating? But this is what people are speculating about. Some people say that it will be an exchange where you can exchange BitConnect tokens for fiat currencies like euro or dollar. Some people say that it will be just like a clone of BitConnect where they will have like a trading bot. I think the most likely is that this will be an ICO, but it doesn't really make a lot of sense. I think that basically they're just trying to squeeze as much money as possible from this BitConnect scam project. I think it's all coming to an end very, very soon. People will be very, very surprised. A lot of people are in BitConnect, a lot of people are promoting BitConnect, and I think this is their last gasp of air when it comes to just raising money and squeezing every single dollar that they can, and it will be disappearing very, very soon. So as you can see, I just wanted to show you that BitConnect, if you're going to go to coinmarketcap.com, actually BitConnect itself, it's worth $2.4 billion. So there's no reason that they need to do an ICO and raise even more capital unless they just want to scam people out of their money. So are they cashing out and they're just gonna close the whole BitConnect platform? Do they want to save BitConnect because it's doing so poorly that people are not getting into it anymore? They can't be really paying out the people that they are supposed to pay, so they are trying to raise more money. No one knows. Maybe they're running out of money. I think this is a scam. You should stay away from it. If you saw my BitConnect scam video, please watch it. I'm gonna have the link in the end of this video. If you are thinking about getting into BitConnect, investing any money, don't watch that video, and BitConnectX is no different. So another thing I wanted to mention to you is that a few months back, BitConnect actually had a project, a side project called BCC Pay, which is essentially, it was supposed to be a BitConnect debit card that you would be able to have and or order and purchase with, but it never got around to materialize. So they promised that this will be a side project that you're gonna have either a Visa or a MasterCard with your BCC tokens, and you will be able to pay in just everyday life with it, but they never fell through with it. So if they didn't complete their first side project, why would they start a second one with BitConnectX? It just doesn't make any sense at all. But unfortunately, if you're gonna go to YouTube and just try to type in BitConnectX, and you're gonna see a ton of people already promoting it, even though they have no idea what it is. 99% of these people are already affiliates for BitConnect, and it is in their best interest to be promoting anything connected to BitConnect. So if it's you know, at ICO, if they're gonna be selling tokens, please don't buy it. And if anyone will recommend it to you, just double check if they are not you know, giving you their affiliate link, because you know, this is probably their first thought, you know, when they are promoting something like BitConnect, which again, no one really knows what it is yet. So just stay away from it. And if you want to invest any money into cryptocurrencies, which you should, what I recommend is going to hashflare.com. I'm gonna have all the links in the description. As you can see, I have 20 terahashes. If you don't know what Bitcoin mining is, I will have another link in the end of this video. But essentially, you are mining Bitcoin. Whatever you invest, you are getting back at least double, maybe even quadruple. At the moment, if I have 20 terahashes, as you can see right here, and 20 terahashes would cost you right now $4,400. And as you can see, in the end of the year, I will make 13,500. So if you invest 4,400, you will get 13.5 minus the fees, something definitely around 10 or 11. So you can double or triple your money, and this is legit. Again, I'm not going to go through this opportunity in detail. I'm going to have a link in the end of this video for you to check out what Bitcoin mining is all about. But this is definitely the way to go when it comes to investing in cryptocurrencies. This is legit. Stay away from BitConnect. That's just my tip for you for today, right? Happy New Year. 2018 will be definitely one of the best years when it comes to making money with cryptocurrencies. Everything is going up. You know, I hope we will see a lot of millionaires this year. I hope you will be one of them, myself as well. Fingers crossed. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comment section, and please also like the video and subscribe. This really helps me out. I can put out more of these free training videos for you this way. Again, if you have any questions, let me know and I will talk to you soon. Happy New Year. Ciao. Please click on the big red button right below this video to subscribe if you would like to see more of these videos. And if you are already subscribed, please click on the bell button to get notified about every new video. Thanks a lot.